So it's important. That's why I recommend the Shopify, because
Okay.
it's important to like understand, like your first product variation or version may not be good. Like
Mm-hmm.
you have to first, like, that's why I recommend Shopify. Let's say if you send a bunch of traffic through Facebook ads
Mm-hmm.
and nobody's converting, like the same thing's going to happen on Amazon. People aren't going to convert unless the product is worth buying. So you have
Amazing
to
info
first,
here.
yeah. Yeah. And so it's important to make sure that, like, you may think yours the best product, it's the best thing ever, but your packaging, your product packaging may suck.
Yeah.
And that could be that's a make or break on Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
So like you can rank it one, but and you can invest hundreds of thousands of
Mm-hmm.
dollars, but if you don't know how good that product is, it might not do well. So it's important to test and make different variations of your product and test it on Shopify just starting out. And if you're seeing that, wow, like this one product on Shopify is killing it, launch that on Amazon and spend a couple of grand on it and
Mm-hmm.
see how it takes off. But don't necessarily I wouldn't recommend just constantly reinvesting. Yes, you have to be patient and you have to
Mm-hmm.
keep investing money. Yes, I believe in that. But make sure you're adding multiple variations with with what product you're providing, and make sure that it's priced competitively, that it's attractive enough, and with all these different attributes, make sure it's compelling enough for the user to come through. And then once you realize you can say, okay, I tested all these product packaging. This works the best. I tested all these different. We are better. So like data
Mm-hmm.
wise, like not opinion, data
Mm-hmm.
wise, we are better than our competitors. And we can
Mm-hmm.
prove that. Now it makes sense. Now all you have to do is invest money and be patient with it on Amazon. Yes, but make sure you're testing if the product is viable. Are you providing something unique, or are you going to be just like everyone else that just has the same supplement with a rebrand? And that's that you're not like, you can invest a lot of money on that, but if there's everyone's going to be doing it and the multi-million dollar guys are going to cut you out instantly. So you have to be providing something unique to the customer, either that or you have to have strong brand, one or the other. And if you could spend all this money on branding and then guide them to your however you want to do it, but make sure you're testing. And if you have a small budget, I would recommend Shopify first every single time.